Welcome to 2068 Watermark Place. This neat 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 3-story condo with a 1-car garage, 2 primary suites, as well as a 2nd floor balcony. Is located in the Northwest Columbia area, convenient to I-26, downtown Columbia, as well as Riverbank Zoo and other amenities. So we're outside. You can see you have a carport extended out from the 1-car garage, which you'll be able to see from the inside as well. You also do have a nice large covered front entry space here as well, with a nice sized window into the foyer to the right of the front door. So as we enter, the bottom level basically houses just the garage and this utility closet here with the water heater off the entry, and then also the small foyer area, so you can sort of see back towards the door there. And then the door right off the foyer hall leads into the 1-car garage, which has a small or compact vehicle parked inside right now just for scale. So you can see that you have some extra space back there, some built-in shelving for storage as well. And then as we come around, so you go up the stairs here to the 2nd level, so you have nice thick wood on the stairs with metal railings. And then as you see, you come up into the 2nd floor main living space. So this houses the living area, kitchen, and one of the bedrooms. So you have a dining level here with a dining room off the kitchen, and then you step down into a couple of stairs here, and you step down on both sides into this nice sunken sort of living area. You have 2 ceiling fans in here, crown molding. As you can also see, it does give you some extra ceiling height also. And then against this wall, you have a large window, as well as the large slider or large sliding glass door there that lets you out onto that balcony. Won't actually take you out there since you can see it pretty well from the inside, but you can see nice balcony space right outside. And then again, view back towards the kitchen and dining area. You have some recessed lighting and a soffit there, and then an opening, as you can see, or a pass through to the kitchen itself, which we'll take a look at now. So you swing around this wall, and then you're in the kitchen. Sort of a square layout or U-shaped layout. White cabinets and appliances. You have an electric stove, built-in microwave above, dishwasher, and then your refrigerator on this side. And then you also have a laundry closet in here as well, with full-size side-by-side washer dryer connections. There's a shelf above there as well. And then you have this nice sort of large window out towards the patio area that's out back, which you access via this area off the back. So here you have a primary bedroom suite, one of the 2. Right off the entry, you have the bathroom, and you have updated vinyl plank hardwood flooring, luxury vinyl plank in the bathrooms and kitchen. And you also have a single vanity, a nice sort of medicine cabinet or shelf. There's another medicine cabinet against the wall on the inside. And then you have your tiled shower and tub. And then in the bedroom, you can see you have a window beneath a built-in bench or work area, or desk area, and then sliding door out to the patio space and the small backyard space out back. Nice closet here with some built-in organizers. And you can see out there, basically you have the patio, and then it kind of just goes out to the space that runs along the back of the units. So we'll take a look upstairs now. You can see you have the nice open treads on the stairs, giving you a lot of light, and you can see sort of through the floor plan. And then you're on the 3rd level. So the 3rd level basically Just a view back towards the stairwell, you have a nice natural light coming in via that very high window. And then also there's windows even above that let in even more natural light in the stairwell. And then you have basically what is sort of one large bedroom space here. You'll see why in a second. This portion has a couple of windows out towards the front of the unit, but as you can see, ceiling fan in here, but it is open via this pass-through to the space that we're going to go into now, which is sort of a more of the actual bedroom itself. So this functions almost sort of like an additional sort of living or seating area, but because it all is connected via this pass-through, and you only do have the one closet, sort of considering it one bedroom, but you are free to use it however you like. So as you can see here in the more bedroom proper portion, it is another primary suite since it does have has its own closet, as you can see, and its own bathroom. So you have a single vanity there, and then on the opposite side, you have your commode and shower and tub with tile. And then we'll just open this closet so you can get a view back a little farther into it. It is a pretty nice size. And then you can even see the opening out towards the other room. So that completes our tour of this property. Again, it's 2068 Watermark Place in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.